You need to watch this if you want to cut your energy bills and make a real difference for the environment. Introducing the new energy efficiency program from Louisville HVAC. This isn't just about keeping your home comfortable, it's about reducing your carbon footprint and saving you money. Our certified technicians will perform a comprehensive energy assessment, pinpointing exactly where you can be more efficient. We'll give you customized recommendations tailored to your needs, and we even offer financing options and rebates to make those upgrades more affordable. Imagine lowering your utility bills while contributing to a healthier planet. Modern HVAC systems provide better temperature control, improved air quality, and quieter operation. Plus, with proper installation and maintenance from our expert team, you'll enjoy long-term savings and peace of mind. Empower yourself with knowledge through our educational outreach programs and workshops. Join us in leading the charge for a sustainable future with Louisville HVAC's Energy Efficiency Program. Ready to get started? Visit us at louisvillevac.com or call 502-429-5885 to schedule your energy assessment today. Save money, stay comfortable, and help the planet, all with Louisville HVAC.